Hello everybody, hello and welcome to a new video. Today I want to talk about my softboxes. They are good, but the cable is short. Way too short, I have to say. It's only 1.5 meters, 6 feet. I don't know why, it's way too short. If you pull the tripod up to its maximum height, then that plug doesn't reach the bottom. And if you have a normal setup with one softbox over here and one over there and the camera in the middle, then all the cables hanging mid-air and you can fall over it. It's not very convenient, not very safe. And yeah, I want to have long cables and I bought some new ones. 5 meters should be enough, I think, and today we will exchange them. So, let's get started. So first of all, we have to remove the diffuser foil from the softbox. That is held in by the corners and some Velcro. And then we can remove the lamp from the lamp fitting. And the lamp fitting is held in place by 2 screws. We can unscrew them from the front. And then we can pull the lamp fitting out. That's maybe holding on by the cable. Maybe we can release it. Yes, we can. Very good. Now we can unscrew the 2 screws from the electrical connector that is holding the 2 electrical wires from the cable. And yeah, if we unscrew them, we can remove the cable from the lamp fitting. Now the knot ensures some strain relief for the cable, but we have to unknot that knot so that we can pull the cable outside backwards. And yeah, let's see if that works. Yeah, it works very good. So now we can put in the new cable, and as we want to make sure that it cannot be pulled out backwards, we first put in a nut for strain relief, and yeah, then we can put the new cable. We can mount it to the lamp fitting, so putting the 2 wires into the electrical contact of the lamp fitting, making sure that they are at the right position, and then screwing them into the lamp fitting. Then we can pull carefully on the cable, putting the nut at the right position, and then the lamp fitting back into the softbox. Securing it with 2 screws as before, and after that, if both screws are in place, we can put in the lamp, and afterwards we can cover the softbox with the diffuser foil, making sure that it's in the right position. That's it. So the new cable has put on. It is way longer than the old one, and I think this way we don't have the risk of falling over the cable again. And yeah, just for comparison, this is the old short one and this is one of the new longer ones, and I think the difference is quite significant. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below, and otherwise, yeah, thank you very much for watching. Wish you a great time. See you next time. Bye.